What if barren land in Indian cities could look like this? Maybe one day you could have a forest in your backyard. Miyawaki forests seem like the perfect fit for Indian cities. The Miyawaki technique was developed by Akira Miyawaki, a Japanese biologist. It has now become popular around the world. Followers of this technique have turned pieces of land that look like this into this. This technique follows a precise way of identifying the land, preparing the soil, selecting native tree saplings, and planting them much closer than they would be in an ancient forest. Typically, 3 to 5 saplings are planted per square meter. The purpose of creating Miyawaki forests is to have a dense growth on a relatively small piece of land with a diversity of trees. As these saplings grow into dense forests, they lower the ambient temperature and prevent the formation of heat islands in cities. Say Trees, a Bengaluru-based organization, has been cultivating several Miyawaki forests in the country since 2016.
Our first forest was in Bangalore. And if you go to see the first forest, you won't believe that you are in a city.
This is the forest that Say Trees started with. Cultivated at the diesel loco shed in KR-Puram, the forest has about 2,000 saplings and it is spread over 600 square meters.
The growth which we saw in 1 year of that forest, we were just shocked. And that is what led us to plant more and more forest every year, and then now every month. We are creating forest in Bangalore almost every month. If this lockdown was not there, we would have been creating forest this week also.
Once the land has been prepared and the saplings planted, care and maintenance, including having a water source on site for at least 2 years, is absolutely necessary for the survival of the forest.
Plantation can be done, not a problem at all. You can even plant crores of saplings, or you can create hundreds of forests in a single day. But if you don't plant for their maintenance, then it's all going for waste. It will all be wasted.
Organizations such as Say Trees cultivate Miyawaki forests as part of CSR initiatives, and they also fund forests on public lands.
The cost of a Miyawaki forest or a sapling planted in a Miyawaki forest ranges anywhere between 350 rupees to 400 rupees per sapling, and this includes the 2 to 3 years of maintenance. And again, this is the cost in urban spaces. In rural spaces, we are trying to execute Miyawaki forest in half this cost.
Miyawaki forests may not match the complex ecosystems of ancient forests. But in urban Indian cities, these wooded areas might finally provide a spot of quiet.